Hi there, this is a new channel. I'm calling it Share Trek as a Trekkie. Join me as I share my investment journey. A little bit about myself. My name is Raj and I've been investing in shares as well as real estate for the last decade or so. And I have learned everything painfully by losing money and sometimes making more money than I expected. But overall, in the last 4 to 5 years, I've been having consistent gains, decent gains. And at this point of time, I thought, it would be really a good idea to share my knowledge and share my adventure with other people who are trying to get started with investing. So with that in mind, I have started this channel. What to expect in this channel? Um, Basically, I'll be covering some technical and fundamental analysis in every video. I'll be sharing my trades with you, and my future plan is to invest around $75,000 in a diversified portfolio. So in terms of sharing my learnings, we'll be doing technical and fundamental analysis of select stocks, and we'll be identifying resistance and support levels and price targets. And we'll also review them periodically to see whether our analysis and targets have come out to be true. And that way we'll be able to learn and fine-tune our methodology further. It's an ongoing evolving process. Even now I keep on improving my trading abilities and target making abilities. So it's an evolving process, and we'll see the trades. I'll be disclosing my stocks that I plan to buy or sell. We'll be reviewing the profit or loss on those trades. I'll also be discussing my ideas for future purchases. And most of all, I want this channel to be a community of investors. So I'd look forward to take feedback from viewers who are also equally good at investing, so that they can also share their ideas. Maybe a few episodes we'll have some interviews with some successful investors and get their point of view on investing. And as I said, the future plan is to invest around $75,000 in a diversified portfolio. So while I'm investing in those shares, I'll be publishing them on this channel. I'll be publishing my technical and fundamental analysis, my rationale for buying those shares, my rationale for the entry point, and my rationale also for exiting. So you will be able to see a ringside view, and probably you can get some ideas for your own. I'd also be producing some free educational content on technical and fundamental analysis, maybe much later, maybe 6 months down the line, if the users find it as something interesting and that they would like to have. In terms of ground rules, right, for any portfolio, you need to have some principles that you stick to. So some of the broad rules that I have for this channel and for this portfolio is that we'll only be looking at blue chip or highly traded stocks. We are going to aim for risk minimization through diversification of portfolio and through using technical and fundamental analysis. And we'll only focus on 10 to 12 selected stocks, and the reason being that it'll help us to intimately understand those stocks, understand their behavior, their peaks and troughs, so that we can aim to buy closer to the bottom and sell closer to the top. And we'll be constantly reviewing our performance, our logic, and the reasons why we got into a trade and the reasons why we got out, how much profit we made, and if there is any improvement that we can do in future. And most of our videos are going to be short, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. And I hope that this format helps gather the attention of many people who are looking for this kind of a content, because when I started my investment journey, I tried learning through courses, but during the course you get to learn everything. But when it comes to actual trading, somehow it doesn't stick as well and doesn't seem as relevant. So I'm hoping that when you watch the formation of this $95,000 portfolio as a close onlooker, you'd get a very good feel of what is happening, and at my expense you can learn something. So here's to a good 2022, because for the next 2 months we are going to be looking at these, identifying these 10 to 12 stocks, understanding their characteristics, doing technical and fundamental analysis, so that in 2022 we can start actually putting our dollars to it, and we'll take it from there. So welcome on this journey. If you are interested, please subscribe, and if you think any of your friends would be interested, please get them to join us. And looking forward to see you for more videos. So tomorrow I'll be having the first share that we'll be reviewing. It'll be a 5 to 10 minute video, and I hope to see you there. Thanks, and have a great day.